Yeah. Aradhya. Sorry. Who? Aradhya.
Yes,
What about
ma'am.
you?
I'm good.
Yeah, good. Erin?
I'm extremely happy, ma'am.
Extremely happy. Adi? What about you, my dear?
Happy, ma'am.
Happy. I'm happy. Riddha? Rida? Rida or Riddha? Rida? Rida Mazin.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name? Just pronounce it. Rida?
My name? Good morning, ma'am.
Your name?
My name is Vida Maz.
Rida Mazin. Rida Mazin, what about you? How's the day?
Good,
How's the
ma'am.
day, my dear? Good, bad, bus, excellent. Michelle?
I'm doing good.
Good, doing well, doing good. Muhammad? Muhammad?
I am fine.
Yeah, fine. Adi? Okay. Are you facing any network issue over there? Any network issue? Children are about to join. Savio, Sandra, where is Savio? Sandra, where is Savio? Sandra, am I audible? Ridha, what about my voice? It's okay? I'm not audible to you.
Ma'am, it's audible.
Ma'am, you're audible.
But why you are not
Yes, ma'am.
responding then? If you are not giving the back answer now, I feel I'm not audible. That's what.
No, ma'am, your video audible.
Video is audible now? Audible now? Okay, fine. So let's start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very less
Yes,
number
ma'am.
today,
Yes, ma'am.
15. What about Vivian? Okay, where we stopped last lecture? Just recollect it. Come on. Hannah, where we stopped? Just recollect the things. Anna, unmute and speak. Anna, Sanika.
Ma'am, I was not there on that class.
Okay, Michelle. Michelle was there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me then. Aaron, can you? Who can help me? Vivian, you can?
Ma'am, you asked some question like you are doing something in some gadget and your grandparent, your grandfather
Hmm.
called you
Hmm.
to ask, I guess, to bring water,
Yeah.
something like that. Something
Ma'am,
like
yeah.
that.
Then, huh.
Ma'am, you asked us before.
Before
Yes,
only,
ma'am.
not in reason. Yeah, Adidev, what we discussed. That's what I asked you to keep the points. Anna, what are you doing? That's what I asked to keep a diary and write on.
Ma'am,
Yes. Ah,
ma'am, you said last class before you talked about mind.
mind, attitude, behavior.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that we discussed.
Yes.
Saneka was absent, then also she quoted the things.
Yeah, ma'am.
How you got?
Ma'am, not that, ma'am.
Huh.
Before that class only, I told.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am.
So anyway, yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, it's me, Nivedita.
Ah, yes,
Ma'am, we discussed about quality, one of the quality.
okay. Nivedita, it's you, my dear.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yeah, Aradhya, wait. Yes, Nivedita.
Ma'am, you have told us about to describe ourselves of what kind of qualities
Yeah, we discussed.
do we have.
Yeah, we discussed.
You told us to list down some qualities.
Yeah, I asked you to write down, to list out your qualities. That's what are the qualities we can find out from you or your qualities. In that case, you list out few qualities and you said that, ma'am, I am humble, I am lovable, I am dedicated, I am helpful, I am kind enough, I keep the forgiveness, like n number of quality parameters. This called as a quality parameters. What are quality parameters we discussed? Am I right?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we try to find out. Means you analyzed yourself. There is an individual analysis. Individual analysis we did the last lecture. The sum of the individual analysis, we found that our personality is the mixture of various qualities. Personality is a mixture of various qualities. Due to that only, person to person, qualities are different. Called person to person, the qualities are different. Why? Each person possesses one or the other qualities. Some qualities predominates and some qualities denominates. Okay, some qualities predominates. If we'll just look at a person, we can see that his Xavier joined late. His honesty is the one policy. Honesty is one character. Mostly we can see that people are honest, but sometimes they are not loyal. Aditya, what about your camera? And another side we found, people are very dedicated, but on the other side, they are losing the devotion. Sometimes we found people are very truthful, but on another side, they are lacking sincerity. Am I right? Am I right? Very rare to get all the qualities together. If all the qualities are together, we can say that he or she is a unique personality. What a unique personality. So our target, our aim is to reach to that uniqueness, is to grab that uniqueness. Above all, we want to get success in your life. Am I right? What do you want to become? You may give the various answers. Sanika, what do you want to become?
Ma'am, I want to become an IAS officer.
IAS officer. Aran? Aran, all of you be ready with this question and answer. Aran, what do you want to become? Scientist. Vivian,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you want to become?
Ma'am, architect.
Architect. Quick answer. Huh? I need the quick answer so that I can move to the other child. Ananya? Ananya, I need the answer from all of you. Ananya? Ihan?
I want to become police.
Police. Emil?
IPS.
Emil? I can't wait for more second over there because I have to move to everyone. Adidev?
Ma'am, I like to become a doctor.
Doctor. Yasin?
Cricketer.
Cricketer. Savio? Savio? Sandra?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Savia? Come on. I can't waste much more time for you because I have to reach all 22s.
Ma'am, I don't.
Doctor. Okay. Herin,
Ma'am, join the Air Force.
Air Force. Tina,
Singer.
Riddha, Riddha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Football player, ma'am.
Huh?
Football player.
Football player. Adidev,
Ma'am, you asked me.
okay, you asked. Gautam,
Ma'am, ma'am in the Air Force.
okay. Abhinav, come on, who is remaining now? Scientist. Nivedita,
I also want to become an IAS officer.
IAS officer. Hanna,
Ma'am, I want to become a doctor.
doctor. Michelle,
Designer.
huh?
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer. Ananya, Emil,
I'm an artist.
artist. So see, my dear children, you decided already. You decided already what you want to become. Whether it may be the doctor, whether it may be the policeman, whether it may be the scientist, whether it may be the n number of fields, artist, football player, cricketer, Yasin, or the football player. So whatever it may be, above all, along with your achievements, you want to be a happy person. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
prime need of your life is, what is the prime need? To be to lead a happy life. Are you happy now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you are happy now? Frankly speak. How many of you are happy? Tell me, Aran and Aradhya, Emil. If you are not happy, you can get my number from WhatsApp group. You can send to me your reason. I'm not asking together. You can call me personally. Then, my dears, if you are happy, why you are happy? What
Ma'am,
made
because-
you happy? What made you happy? Quick action, quick answer. Yes, Aran?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Adidev.
ma'am, I was in Muscat, so now I'm in Kerala
Ah,
with my family. That's why I'm happy now.
that's why you're happy. The change, the shift, where Muscat life and Kerala life. He enjoying Kerala life more, Muscat life. So it made him happy. Very correct answer, Adidev. Then, come on, immediately. I'm not calling you, my students. While calling, repeating, the time may waste like that. Anyway, you have to speak to me. Yeah, Ihan, just raise your hand. I will come to you. Ihan, come.
Ma'am, same as Adidev.
Same with Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
You were in Muscat earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, you completed your 6th standard over there.
No, ma'am. Here.
Ah.
5th
For
and
the-
6th.
For the vacation you went.
Ma'am, I was studying there till 4th.
4th. Now you shifted to Kerala. That made you more happy. Okay. Who is the next, Nivedita?
And because I get to attend classes.
You are getting opportunity to attend. You are the school child. You are enjoying the virtual classes. That's what that made you happy. Yeah, Michelle.
I'm doing better in my studies.
Yeah.
I'm doing better in my studies.
You are doing better. You are day by day. You are progressing. You are progressing yourself. That's what you found yourself happy. Yeah. Who is next? Who is next? Muhammad. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, my father was in Dubai. Now he is with me.
Oh my God, very sweet. His father was in Dubai. Now he shifted to Kerala. He is with him. That's what that gives lots of happiness to him. Yeah. Then who is the next? Just raise your hand. I'll come to you without wasting time. Come on. And rest of others are not happy. It seems. Rest of others are not happy. It seems. Yeah, Yashin. Just show your hand. Then I'll move to you. Yeah. What made you happy? My God, only 4 children in the 6th C, 7th C are happy and rest of others are unhappy. Huh? Can I come to you then? Okay, Ihan. Ihan given the answer, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why two? Yes, who? Rest of others are unhappy. Why you all are unhappy? Okay, happy.
Ma'am.
I'm not going. Yes, Ivan.
Ma'am, I'm happy.
But what's the reason? What makes you more happy?
Ma'am, there's no special reason for it, but I'm happy right now.
Very good. Wonderful answer. I'll come to you, Vivan. There is no special reason for it, but he is happy right now. Okay. Anyone who? He called me. Rest of others called me. Ihan, yes. Anything?
Ma'am, yes.
Yeah, come on.
There is a friend who, who's studying in this class and who was there in Muscat in my school.
Okay. You found the common things over here. In Muscat also you learned French and here too you are getting French. That made you more happy.
My same friend.
Okay, good. So children, some are very reluctant to speak. See children, this is one of the platform you are getting to open up your heart. Okay. In other core skill classes, you won't be asked such questions. And this is the great time you are getting such things to you. So enjoy every bit of life. As you are not reacting me means you are not happy. Why so? If you are happy, you will enjoy studies. Happiness and enjoy, both are together. It's parallel. If you are able to enjoy the situation, you become happy. As our Adidev, Ihan, and other children, Muhammad too, Sanika, Michelle, they expressed their.
It's not Muhammad, it's Muhammad Sinan.
Muhammad Sinan, okay. Muhammad Sinan, they shared their feelings with us. They told us, ma'am, we are happy due to this and this reason. But we weren't given a wonderful answer. Madam, there won't be any special reason over there. I'm happy because I'm enjoying every bit of. This is the correct answer, my dears. Whether you will get to the positive environment or not, it is not easy to get always positive environment. Do you get always positive things to you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sometimes you will get scolded by your parents. Varida, so kind of you, my dear. You call me afterwards, huh? Very good. Good. Can I tell to your students? Tell to your friends? Can I repeat?
Yes,
yeah, Rida opened her heart at last. She's telling to me, she miss you all. That's why she is not happy. She wants the company of you all. Really, I know it. Really, so kind of you, Ridha. So kind of you. Really, she opened her mind. Really, but another point of view. But see, that's what I told you. Yes, Ihan.
It is he.
Yeah, Ihan. Come towards the mic.
You was telling she.
He was?
Actually, you was telling she. It is he, ma'am.
It is?
He.
Ihan, come closer to your mic.
Ma'am, he said that you told that it is she to Rida Masin, then he is saying that it is he.
No, it is he only. Rida is he only. I know. I spelled it like okay. Sorry, Rida. Okay, sorry. He. Okay, sorry. So he stated a wonderful answer, very kind answer. It found that he possessed an empathetic attitude. So my children, happiness is that thing. You can't get it from any market. Could you buy happiness from anywhere?
No, ma'am.
No, you hadn't.
No, ma'am.
Then how can we achieve happiness?
By doing the things that we like.
Yeah, it can be created. It can be created, not can be brought it from anywhere. It's not no other shop in the world. It is there. Come on, Yasin, collect 1 kilo happiness and go. Is it there? No. None of the shops are available in world. There is the selling of great discount, happiness discount. Happiness is the creation. Happiness is the creation. How can we create happiness?
By doing what we
By
want
doing
to.
Doing what we love.
What we love, that means according to our attitude. Is it?
Yes,
By
ma'am.
changing our
Yes, ma'am.
attitude. Are you agreeing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
By changing your attitude,
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
feel that, okay, my dear, this pandemic, it is the pandemic curse, daily cursing, morning wake up and cursing to pandemic, morning wake up and cursing to pandemic. Do you get happiness?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Just
ma'am.
negativity. Just
It's
negativity.
negative.
Yeah, remove the negativities from your mind. Just think that this is the wonderful moment that God has given to us. Enjoy like that. Day begins like most wonderful day, very flowery day, blissful day. I am the most happiest person in the world. Change the attitude like that. And you can enjoy with your friends through virtual classes too, Ridha, my dear. You can call them. Feel do you call them? Do you keeping any friendly relation among with you through the WhatsApps, through the telephonic conversation? Not keeping. You could
Ma'am.
keep a strong
Yes,
relation, strong friendship.
I do.
Yeah. Yes, I know you do. Otherwise, you will get, see, don't get discouraged or disappointed on anything on earth. It's not made, it is created. It's not made, it's a created. Do you understand what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the things, whatever the discouragement, disappointment, happiness, unhappy or happy, whatever it may, whatever the things, it is not made, it is created. We are the creators. It is made by the man-made. It's a man-made things. It's a man-made things. So never lose your energy. Never get
Ma'am, I was
on.
not able to hear you, ma'am.
Now okay?
Yeah,
I'll
ma'am.
move. Now okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Never get
Uh.
never get discouraged. Never lose your energy. Never lose your heart on the creation of on made things. Suppose for example, I'll say during this pandemic earlier means 2020, at the beginning, at the outbreak of pandemic, the first lockdown, just go back, rewind, recollect it. Have you enjoyed the first phase of lockdown? Whether you have enjoyed or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Really, I enjoyed it. Really, I'll tell you, my dears, I enjoyed those first stage. I never thought about the worries or what is happening means beside me, around me. I don't know whether it is right or not, right or wrong, but I enjoyed the situation. The schools closed, all on a sudden, locked at home, all on a sudden, locked at home, and I enjoyed with family. Mostly, I found time in cooking. Is it? You too, maybe. Your mama at the earlier stage, beginning time. That means 2020, if I am not wrong, 2020 March and April time. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Your
Yes.
mama become more efficient in her cooking, and she daily cooked a n number of delicious dishes
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you, and every moment you enjoyed it. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? So
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
that is the maid one. That is the maid one. If in between, if she spoiled any preparation, did you worry about it?
Yes, ma'am.
She tried for the cake. Okay. She tried for the cake. Which flavor do you like more?
Ma'am,
Red velvet.
red velvet.
Red velvet.
Velvet. Chocolate. Then Harry?
Red
Ma'am,
velvet.
red velvet.
Red velvet.
velvet.
My
Ma'am, red
favorite.
velvet.
I really like red velvet.
Red velvet is my favorite. Then
Favorite
Savio?
cake.
Yasin?
Manjo.
Which one?
Manjo.
Oh, okay. Savio? Both are quarreling with each other. Committing with each other. Yes, anyway, whatever it may be the flavor. Yes, Sina? Which flavor you liked?
Red velvet, ma'am.
Red velvet flavors are very most favorite, but delicious and more beautiful, more tasty, more softy, and all. You just imagine your mama failed in it. Do you get this dust over there? Do you get worry over
It's
there?
sad.
Do you feel sad?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, we will try it again.
Yes,
Ma'am.
never feel sad. Just encourage her. No, mama, leave it. We'll prepare another one. We'll cook another one. My point is like, my dears, the happiness is our aim. Happiness, more than become a successful engineer, doctor, or whatever else may be, the main target you must keep that you want to become a successful person in your future. In order to become a successful person, what you will look on? You have to look on yourself, your character. You have to create the happiness. You have to create the situations like that. You have to create more and more happy situations. And not only create, not only make, you have to find happiness in all the adverse situations too. Not only positive energy or not only the positive situation will give the happiness, you are able to find out happiness from the negative situations too. That is called as the energy of mind. If you are able to create, if you are able to recreate the energy again and again, you be always a happy child. As you said, we are happy due to the different reasons. You won't find out any reason for happiness. As Adidev said, great salute to you, my dear. He is not searching any reason for happiness. He stated that, ma'am, I'm not knowing any reason, exact reason for happiness. But I am happy. Very Adidev or Vivian? Who given that answer? Vivian given that answer. Wonderful answer. Vivian given that. Madam, I am never search for any situation or any moment for become happy. I enjoy every bit of my life, every bit of my moments. I enjoy it. That is called as keeping happiness, cheerful personality. So see, my dear children, happiness is one part. It's a part of emotion. Then it comes to the attitude. Not only this attitude and happiness gives you energy or success, at the same time, you have to develop your knowledge and talent.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowledge and talent.
Talent.
Savio and Sandra, very mischievous, naughty students in the class. What they are doing, just they are quarreling with each other, and one is switch on, one is switch off. What kind of attitude yours? As I am telling, as I am promoting, as I am speaking, going on speaking, what is the symbol of positive attitude, how we can improve our positive attitude, why every time moving towards the camera and device over there. Just when I'll ask you, just unmute. Any one of you unmute. Behave properly, my dears. Behave properly. Okay. See, the attitude of course gives success to you, happiness to you. But at the same time, you have to develop your talent and knowledge. Dear children, tell me what is talent, what is knowledge? How can you differentiate talent with knowledge? How can you
Talent is something we have, like singing is a talent.
Yeah.
Like
There are
helping
our
others is a talent.
abilities.
Having a
Talents are
kindness,
There is some
everything is
abilities,
a talent.
something that we can do
Talents
good.
are something we develop.
Yeah,
Something that we can do good.
One by one. I'll come to you, Michelle. Nivedita, next Nivedita.
Talents are something we develop. If we something that we have an interest and we feel like doing this, and
Okay.
knowledge is something that is necessary in our life
Okay.
to go forward
To go ahead.
and
Okay.
to
Very good explanation. Michelle?
do a good life.
Talent is something that we can do good,
Ah.
and knowledge is something that we need to learn in life.
Ah. Good. Who is the another one who is ready to speak on talent and knowledge? Now
Ma'am,
it is
can I-
clear that knowledge is the thing which we are learning. Every day we are learning, or we are developing, or we are getting through the textbooks, or getting through the where we are getting, getting talents. How we are equipping with the talent. Sorry, knowledge.
Books from others.
From
From
books.
books, from our parents, friends.
Observation. Knowledge is from observation.
Newspaper.
Gautam.
Books.
News.
From some people.
Books.
From
Get
elders,
From other, from our
exchange
friends.
our ideas.
Yeah. Anyway, knowledge is it's a part of skill, hard skill we are gaining through the text. Learning is an instrument of knowledge. Learning is an instrument of knowledge. If you want to power with the knowledge, then you have to learn. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right? Learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Learning is as different forms. Yasin, what are the different forms of learning? As he is singing the song, we'll ask him to sing a song. Yasin? Yasin, I am audible? Yasin?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes.
Are you singing song?
No.
No. Then tell me, what are the different platform of learning? Through learning, we are acquiring knowledge. It is such. You diverted. That's what I am asking to you. So what are the different platforms? Learning platforms. Learning platforms. Where we will get learning.
School.
School is one of the platform of learning.
Online.
College.
Virtual classes.
And college.
School, college,
Tuition.
everything. That institution, organization, academic institutions are the center of knowledge. Yes, good answer, Vivian. Then?
And from people, there are so much people who is very scholar.
Yeah, the scholarly people. Very good answer, Sainaika. Scholarly people. Yeah, that means academic institutions, scholarly people, then?
And some people have a very good value education.
Yeah, that's it. We can count it together, my dear.
From the
That is
internet.
scholarly people, whether it may be value, whether it may be the modesty, whatever it may
From
be.
the internet.
Scholarly people through observing, reading, The scholarly people, by following the scholarly people, we can gain knowledge. Then
I'm from the internet.
Google.
yeah, Google is the guru for knowledge. Good. Google is the head of the knowledge, is it? We
Ma'am,
want to
and
know
you-
something
Yes,
else,
ma'am.
we'll just open
It
the
has got a
window
GK
and type it
knowledge.
anything and we will get a knowledge. Google is the guru for knowledge. Salam to Google. Okay. Google. Okay.
Google has lots of answers.
Lots of knowledge, lots of guru. That's it. He is the guru of guru. Google is the guru of guru. Okay. Then academic institutions, scholarly people, Google. Then what's another platform? Come on, my dears.
to go and experience what they are.
Experience is a big knowledge. Very good answer. Our experience, Adidev. Book aren't correct. Book. Through the book, reading, the book gives us abundant knowledge. And experience, life experience. We know some of the old people, you will move back to home and just ask your grandparents, just ask to them, Grandpa, what's your qualification? They may hardly tell 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation pass. But they are more knowledgeable persons, we found. Then how they gained the knowledge? Their experience, their life experience. So knowledge acquiring is one of our targets. This can be achieved through, this can be get it through different platforms like academic institutions, scholarly people, books, Google, virtual, XYZ, then experience. Our own experience is our knowledge. You are the founder of your knowledge. Just to think. Your idea is your ideology. Your idea is your ideology. Am I right?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just think about you yourself only the platform for your knowledge. So just think, if you are not prepared for that, what could be your future? Just to think. If you are not prepared to gain knowledge from
Ma'am,
these
can
sources,
you be little more louder?
if you are not prepared your mind to gain the knowledge from those platforms, what could be your future? Just think. This is your question for you, my children. That is what again and again I'm telling. In every bit of life, every moment of life, every minute of your life, every fraction of your seconds, just search out the knowledge, add to your life, and gain it more. Gain it more. So here I am wind upping the session. Here I finished the knowledge part. The next Friday we'll continue with the talent. Be ready with the talent, and at the same time prepare any personality who possesses talent, who is good in his talent, and you have all of you must speak 2 minutes about him, about his talent, his good qualities. Till then, goodbye. Meet you. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great
Thank you,
day.
ma'am.
Have a great day.
Out the points. The next lecture I again ask you recollect it. If you are failed to do so, means you are not gained the knowledge. Okay? Must be a
Okay,
gainer,
ma'am.
not a loser. Must be a
Thank you,
gainer,
ma'am.
not a loser. Meet you soon. Till then, bye.